last night after our fourth runway show of the week, when we pulled off one of the more stressful, more admin heavy, more intense shows. And I just kind of ran out backstage to all the models and the dresses and the production team. I was like, we pulled it off, guys. And like everyone just cheered, and like it was really awesome. And like I felt so like full of aroha. Yeah. We need a way for Aotearoa creatives to express themselves, especially sort of when times seem quite bleak. It's really nice to have sort of an outlet for that kind of thing. And as I said earlier, to like sort of create a community for our young creatives, to get themselves out there, to show their art off, and that's why it's really important. A lot of us were really sort of hindered during the times of COVID-19. A lot of us, we were just finishing up high school or just starting university, and it meant that sort of the new communities that we were meant to be fostering as, first year university students and people just sort of getting out into the world, we were kind of shut off from that. And it was really hard to sort of make friends and make connections and express yourself creatively when you couldn't leave the house. And so now we're actually able to sort of put on these events, and you meet a lot of really, really interesting and talented people this way. So that's really important to sort of have that community with other creatives.